Ocean have been pierced by your sixth sense, your sense of being, your intuitive knowing, and you follow that path. And all of a sudden you become a niche, you become a standalone foreign entity that exists amongst a bunch of waves. You become the center of attention because you stand out. That's it, you want attention, stand out. So don't follow the wave. Be yourself. Be authentic. Be true to self. And follow your own path. Whatever that intuition tells you to do, do it, man. Disregard friends, family, associates. Just go after what your intuition says. You want to try.